Hi everyone, this is just an update to show how my wheels are doing. Now these wheels I put on a while ago, these wheels. Now I got a small machine here, it's a 30-inch machine, and I have the 36-inch machine here, and this one also has wheels on it. Okay, so this 36-inch machine is my primary machine, and right now I have, if you can make out the hour meter, I don't know if you can make it out, it says 42 hours. Okay, so I got 42 hours on this machine. I got an onboard battery which runs these strobe lights. I got a weight kit in the front, so the extra weight is underneath here. Now this is heavy in the front. These are original wheels. When this machine was new, I put them on, and they roll just fine. No problems at all. Same thing on this side. This machine here is lighter, doesn't have the battery on top. Same setup otherwise. I like to see you push a machine around with skids like this. So I have no problems at all with these wheels, they work fine. This, when I made the movie with the, years ago, this was this machine right here. I made the wheels first. When I bought the 36, I put these on. So you can see I have over 30 hours on this machine, and a lot of weight in the front. I don't have to adjust the scraper bar at all on these things. It's all original. The way I set it up is the way it runs right now. It looks clean today because today I washed it and I greased it and I serviced it. So as far as I'm concerned, winter is over. So for the ones that want to know about these wheels, yeah, they work good for me. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.